Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be making a fun M&Ms experiment. First, wash your hands. I already washed mine, so let's get started. The things that we need are M&Ms, water, and a plate. First, arrange the M&Ms like this. Then, pour some water. Now, let's see what happens. Wow! Look! It's very interesting when the water molecules and the sugar molecules and the coloring molecules of the M&M's coating interact, which makes the color dissolve. I invite you to do this interesting experiment with your family. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will make more videos soon. Bye!